Page 36. Unit 4. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Cream, sugar, salt, pour, plastic bags, mixture, open, closed, freezer, cream, sugar, salt, pour, plastic bags, mixture, open, closed, freezer.
Page 38. Read. Let's make ice cream.
Today is our school party. Let's go to the cafeteria and get the ice cream you bought yesterday. It's in the freezer.
Oh no! It's liquid! Yuck! That was our ice cream. Was the freezer door open?
Yes, it was. It was open all night. Now there's no ice cream for the party.
What's wrong? Why is everyone so sad?
It was our job to bring the ice cream for the party, but it melted. Now we can't have ice cream.
Sure you can. You can make ice cream. I can teach you.
Yippee!
Okay, kids. Get big and small plastic bags, cream, sugar, vanilla, and salt. Then come to my classroom.
Ready, Mr. Jenkins?
My freezer was closed all night, so I have ice. Now, let's make ice cream.
Yes, let's make ice cream.
Mix the sugar and vanilla and cream.
Mix the sugar and vanilla and cream. Done!
Pour the cream, sugar, and vanilla mixture into the small bag.
Pour the cream, sugar, and vanilla mixture into the small bag. Done!
Put the salt and the ice cubes into the big bag.
Put the salt and the ice cubes into the big bag. Done!
Now, put the small bag in the big bag.
Put the small bag in the big bag. Done!
Now shake, shake, shake. What do you have?
Hey, look! We have ice cream, and we didn't use a freezer. How is the ice cream, Mr. Jenkins?
It's great! Can I have some more?
Page 41. Grammar in use. D. Listen and sing along. Making ice cream.
Where were you yesterday?
We were at a party. It was fun to make ice cream with all our friends.
Was the ice cream in the freezer?
No, it was quick to make.
Was the ice cream in a bag?
Yes, shake, shake, shake.
Where were you yesterday?
We were
Simple past. B. Questions.
Where was the ice pop?
It was in the freezer.
Was it good?
Yes, it was.
To ask a question about the past, we use was for he, she, and it, and a question word such as what, how, or where. We use were for questions with you. How was he? He was fine. Where was she? She was at school. What was it? It was an ice pop. Where were you? I was at the park. We use were with you and they and a question word. Where were you? We were at the museum. How were they? They were great. Where were they? They were on the table. To ask a yes or no question about the past, we use was or wasn't for he, she, and it. To form a yes-no question, we change the order of the subject and be. Was he cold? Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Was she cold? Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. Was the ice pop cold? Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Was it cold? Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. To ask a yes or no question about the past, we use were or weren't for you and they. Were you cold? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Were you cold? Yes, we were. No, we weren't. Were they cold? Yes, they were. No, they weren't.
Page 42. Communicate. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words. Coffee. Tea. Salad. Fruit. Vegetables. Pasta. Coffee. Tea. Salad. Fruit. Vegetables. Pasta. Page 42. Communicate. Listening. C. Listen. What liquids and solids do we heat?
Hello, everyone.
Today we're making some great foods and drinks. Is everybody hungry?
1,
Some people drink coffee in the morning, but some people like this drink more. We boil the kettle and get the cup ready. We put leaves in the cup and add the hot water. Be careful, this can be very hot.
2,
We wash the cucumbers and the tomatoes, and then we cut them. Put them together, add some avocado and mix them. We can put in other vegetables or even fruit. Yum! This food is very good on a hot day.
3,
We heat tomatoes and onions and other vegetables, and then we add the sausages and cook this mixture for a short time. Then we put another food into very hot water and cook it. Okay, it's ready, and we put it on a plate. Then we put the tomato sauce, sausages, and onion mixture on top of it. That smells good.
D. Listen again and check the ingredients you hear. Then, circle the correct food. Page 43. Communicate. Speaking. E. Take turns to ask your partner about the school party yesterday. Use the words in the boxes to help.
Tell me about the party. My friends were there. The ice cream was tasty. The games were fun. Let's make dinner. We can have pasta, vegetables, fruit, and cream.
And ice pops.
Billy and Dot start to make dinner. Gus puts the food away.
Put the ice pops in the freezer, Gus. And heat the water, please, Dot. Look at the water.
It's steam. It was a liquid, and now it's a gas. Cool.
Where are the vegetables? They're in the water. Now it's soup.
Dot looks for the cream, but the cream was in the freezer.
Look! Ice cream! It was a liquid, and now it's a solid. Cool. The ice pops!
The ice pops weren't in the freezer.
Oh, no. Gus! Uh-oh. They were solids, and now they're a liquid. Sorry.
Hello there. How are you today? Are you ready for the big question? Here we go. What is our world made of? Do you know that everything in our world comes in 3 very different states? There are solids, liquids, and gases. Look at these boxes. Are they solids, liquids, or gases? They're solids. Lots of things are solids. We can see and feel them. This tree is a solid. This fruit is a solid. And all this snow is solid too. What about these juices? They're liquids. A liquid is a thing that can flow. Now look at this picture. What do you think is inside the balloon? It's gas. We can't usually see gas, but we can feel it. Gas is everywhere. The air that we breathe is a gas. Everything in the world is a solid, a liquid, or a gas. But things can change from one state to another. They change when we make them hot or cold. This is ice. We make ice when we make water very cold. The water freezes and changes to ice. This ice was a liquid, and now it's a solid. This is snow. When snow heats up, it melts and changes back to water. This snow was a solid, but now it's a liquid. This is steam. We make steam when we boil water. This steam was a liquid, but now it's a gas. We use solids, liquids, and gases when we cook. We can mix things together to make something new, like a cake. But it's important to be careful. Sometimes you can't separate mixtures. All three states are very important. What state are you? Are you a solid, a liquid, or a gas?